as an NDC supporter who always speaks the truth to power without mincing words, and then AY3ka, so I'm credibility in the modern man. I have a lot of inbox. I've seen a lot of tags about this MAMPONG Municipal Best Farmer Award. As a TikToker who campaigned for the NDC party, that I campaigned against the nepotism and cronyism during the Akufo-Addo administration, where the cousin was the Minister of Finance, where the cousins to like Omani cousins key position in the administration. Now me criticize it, this one made me end so.
Okay, we say you know what say na yensa nwa kwa be Emra GH report so na enra na 41st National Farmers Day celebration etimi etodwa across Ghana ema oba Asante Mampong yenso yetimi observe ya je say metimi aka say regional minister etimi ebepie mu honorable Dr. Frank AMOAKOHENE etimi ebepie mu yewo MMDC sahodo etim ebepie mu chese empenifo ahodo bebre etim ebepie mu ewo Asante Mampong na obamu a ebusua ade ba kwa etodwa na social media ene wura mu TikTok dia 20 year pa municipal best farmer etim ekoye edema dada less regional minister nua no abawe bi asori a chese okasa pa na abawe utie ne nsemu a oka o chese oye NDC ni mapa na onti asese Farmers Day ye be celebrate na Mampong empotemu ha no ye crown obi se ono ene ye municipal best farmer na ankoye obi ase Ashanti region anase Ashanti regional minister enua prekope ene sakonya da abodie na anase that award na etimi eko edema no enti no ababa na okasa bebre and me pese ye beko dia kwagotie ensem a ababa wan editu dwa na yeba abeto aso.
As a political TikToker or somebody that I do a lot of my TikTok videos on politics, you see, I'm as an NDC supporter who always speaks the truth to power without mincing words, and then TikToker, so I'm credibility in the modern man. I have a lot of inbox. I've seen a lot of tags about this MAMPONG Municipal Best Farmer Award. As a TikToker who campaigned for the NDC party, that I campaigned against the nepotism and cronyism during the Akufo-Addo administration, where the cousin was the Minister of Finance, where the cousins to like Omani cousins key position in the administration. Now me criticize it, this one made me end so because NDC is a new government. We are 10 months or 11 months in power now. And then if the best farmer for MAMPONG Municipal happens to be the elder brother of the regional minister, I would say that it is also nepotism and cronyism, which we had campaigned against. Yadaya campaign during NPP administration. You see, the government is too young. Yes, nobody is doubting the fact. And that's what Obinka said, the MAMPONG Municipal best farmer, or your farmer there. At the end of CCA, and the brother be a regional minister, and every man the best farmer of MAMPONG Municipal. That's all free municipality, and never regional, or free regional, and never national best farmer. You see, let us look at criteria being the selection or no being the best farmer. And so much I say, MPP time no, I want MAMPONG, no also politicizing, and for the past 8 years no, or man nominating him po that person. Wabeya baby best for. I'm here you over Robbie first runner up, second runner up, third runner up. You see, what my do call last year now when you first run up, second run up, third run up. They nominate some. I'm share the muse. I'm be best farmers now. NDC is now becoming attractive in Ashanti region. NDC no Ashanti for G2. CC ye shaky as a left and right. Yes, swing you Ashanti region, but we will get there. Now see Ashanti here nepotism no cronyism ni bi say ya. Who say ordinary Asantini and as ordinary citizens no Ashanti region. Obe lose hope. I'm a NDC. And Obeka said the MPP for I listen for more and then we be na mobabe. Men can't so deserve you, but it's too early. Because first regional best farmers day, now regional minister, the municipality are free no. The brother na be best farmer. It's too early. Well, can be crime and be our fourth time and also third time, you know. My first one community is a clear display of the nepotism and cronyism, which are NDC for no. We campaigned against it. This is a no-no. My regional minister, Oche, a boy, if the democracy hub guy, yeah, Ochini. Make I say next year, watching because in chat to a criminal in chat to and I still in the court. My regional minister, And to say why I didn't say as a citizen, I mean a spectator. I also make a chance to say a 100 year regional minister. Maybe I don't buy it, and people are talking about it, especially MAMPONG municipality. And the kind of messages that I have received in my inbox, make us a baby canning now. A bit to say, but one say I have you said then you Shanti regional minister, my 4 years in a year. Now, me pursue which 4 years no send your baby that be the campaign 2028. Who watch 4 years in the order, but the aircraft can. They are all coming up to you soon. Into your born who buy so much 4 years into a dear Pia, a Bemaya Casa, and a bit shaky integrity. Mr. Regional Minister, no doctor, and yes, I do wait dear and Chay, Niana Mecca.
Nana document to see Papa, my chairperson, best municipal farmer. Nana, photo. How are you,
No. For the permission from the regional minister, I want to be a little biased. Let me do fortunately or unfortunately for me, this prestigious award goes to Mr. Alexander, who happens to be my husband as well. And by the grace of my hands and by the love I have for this man, he is the best overall farmer for 2025. It's why he made congratulations.
Nana Asi. Presentation of Koso, Nana, at the best farmer, MAMPONG municipal. Now, we know a shed of Bruna can cry. Say, you know, now so queer, a far or more a shame or a deep. They don't want to ask Namon Transin Mr. Charles Podro, aka One Touch. Again, my Mr. Charles Podro, aka One Touch. Assistant Headmaster, Administration Sims. The former senior Konfanachi. Master, AMOAKOHENE. Yes, really a messy, and I am more about so. I think I say, Mantem, so as a tomato. Never show one for them. Yes, I'm a young and now, answer now, and run. They are not a food competition.